Today we're going to talk about how to quickly duplicate IXIA traffic streams. Let's say you have a traffic stream that you're sending towards the router and you just want to create multiple duplicate copies of that traffic stream with subtle changes to the flow. How do we do it quickly? Now here on the screen I have an IXIA with the traffic running, and if I open up the traffic stream you can see that this is just a packet with Ethernet header, IP header, and ICMP packets are being sent. Now, if I want to also create a traffic stream with similar Ethernet headers and IP headers, but instead of ICMP, I want to send packets like UDP based, how do I quickly do it? So the best way to do it is first you stop the stream that you're sending, and then once the stream is stopped on the IXIA web browser, you have an option called Actions. You can click on it, and you see duplicate traffic item. When you click on it, it creates a duplicate traffic item. The name you can see it's clearly saying also as a copy. So now I will update this as DDoS UDP in my case, just a name, whatever that works for your scenario. And then you will have an exclamation mark, which we will come to later. So now I'm going to go and edit my stream. So I don't want ICMP here for this duplicated stream. So as I was telling, we have this duplicated stream now. Now if I click on the Ethernet stack, it opens up. And we discussed that we don't want to create an ICMP here because we already have an ICMP for the first stream number 1. So how do I quickly change it to a different type of layer 4 information? So first I delete the ICMP, and you have an option called plus here on the IP header field. I click on it, I choose whatever I want. I want to send UDP, so I just click UDP, and you can see that the default ports are selected. Of course, if you don't want the destination port to be default, you can click on it, uncheck the auto option, choose some well-known ports, or you can do single value or increment, for example, and you can start with the range. So start with 63 step, I'll put it as 1 and count of 1000. So that means, or 100. So starts off with the destination port of 63 with a 1-step increase up to 100. So these are the ports that will be sent. So this is how we can quickly create. Now I've created a new stream number 2, which is going to have the same Ethernet header, same IP header, but a different layer 4, in this case UDP. Once you've created it, you will still have this exclamation mark as I was discussing. Again, you click on the actions and there's an option called generate all. Soon as you do that, you will see that the exclamation will disappear. Now both those streams are going to be ready for us to send traffic. So one which was originally there, the other one that I created. So the original one, as you can see, has Ethernet, IP, ICMP. The one that I created as a duplicate version will have Ethernet, IP, but a different layer 4, in this case UDP. So if you want to create likewise another one for TCP, all you need to do is click on the one, click on actions. You can do duplicate traffic items or duplicate multiple times if you want to do it, a number of times. So I'll just pick, in this case, duplicate traffic item. Click on the name, update it, say to TCP. Just again go back to your Ethernet stack. And then you will just pretty much do the same. So let me just refresh my IXIA. Sometimes it just takes that while. So here, now I don't want UDP in this case for the third stream. I go back to the IP header, click on it, choose TCP, and there you have TCP, and you can choose your ports. You can say auto, or you can choose uncheck the auto and just say I want to choose LDP. Likewise, you can just manage however you want to send, whatever ports you want to send, you could do that. After you've updated your streams, remember to please go back to actions and generate all. You should have that exclamation disappearing. So now we have multiple streams that we can quickly duplicate on IXIA and start generating packets. Hope you find this useful. Bye for now.